So you've got some guests coming and you've got some cold drinks already done for them. So what might happen, so here's your drinks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then maybe one of them brings a girlfriend that you weren't expecting. So you might just say, quick, go and pour an extra cold drink, another cold drink. And now here we have, ta-da, one for the girlfriend. On the other hand, you might have put the drinks into the freezer, so it was really, really cold. So then that would be an extra cold drink. So it's really chilly. Ooh. Now there's a story in my husband's family. Many years ago, my mother-in-law was having a party for the neighbours, and she asked my brother-in-law to go and get some extra hot mince pies out of the kitchen. So then, go and get some extra ones, some extra mince pies. So what did he do? He put them in the microwave, so they were extra hot. Mince. What did I do here? Minces. Mince pies. So extra hot mince pies. So that's more hot pies, or extra hot mince pies. I think, I certainly did it on purpose because he's a vindictive little. We'll leave it there. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.